Alright, so we're going to talk a little bit about the anatomy of a branch. This will help you understand some terminology as we discuss pruning fruit trees. So if we look at this branch here, we've got what's called a terminal bud right here. And this is the bud that terminates the branch at the end of the branch. And then as we work our way down, we've got nodes. These are the little buds that come off the side of the branch. And the space between each node is called the internode. So we've got the terminal bud, we got the nodes and internodes, and then as we follow this branch down, we've got this bulge here. You can see the little lines. The bark tissue kind of changes from a lighter color, smooth, to a little bit grayer. This is the terminal bud scar. That's the scar where the terminal bud was last year. So we can see that this branch grew from 8 to 10 inches in 1 year because we have the terminal bud scar here and the terminal bud up here. As we continue down the branch, there's another year's worth of growth, and you can see where we had a pruning cut last year. One of the nodes at the end of the branch became the new leader of that branch. And again, you can see the color difference. And then the same thing here. We follow this down, we've got another pruning cut from 2 years ago. And the bud at the end became the new terminal bud. So now we've got what's called a spur right here. And you can see that this branch is significantly different than the long branch that we looked at earlier. The difference being that we've got terminal bud scars just stacked on top of each other that gives it a real rough texture. Each year's worth of growth is an inch or two versus 10 to 12 inches. And so this spur is an important part of the tree's anatomy because this is where the fruit is going to occur. You can actually see the flower buds here, a little cluster, the tip of each one of these spurs. And what makes this a valuable part of the tree is that we've got two fruiting clusters at the end, and it's on a small branch attached to a strong branch. So this branch can better support the weight of the fruit than the terminal bud clear out here at the tip. So when we prune, we focus on removing a lot of this unproductive growth to allow for light to come down onto these spurs.
Go to our website, fruitpruning.com, fill out a form, and we'll send you some more information on how to prune fruit trees. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.